Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add an image in Supabase. Let's get started. First, go to supabase.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard, where you will hover your mouse to the left side to open the left panel, and you will click on the storage option. In this new tab, click on New Bucket at the top left corner, and this pop-up will appear. Type in a name for your bucket, click on this toggle if you want to make it public, then click Save right here to save your new bucket. Next, on the left panel, under the Configuration section, click on Policies, click on New Policy at the far right, then in this pop-up, click on the Full Customization option. Next, in this new tab, enter in a name for your new policy. Check all the options in the Allowed Operation prompt, then save this policy by clicking on Review down here. Next, to upload an image, open a new tab in your browser and type in localhost 3000. In here, just click on Browse so you can browse from your computer the image you want to upload. Then click on Upload After. This pop-up will appear informing you that your file was uploaded successfully. And that is how you can add an image in Supabase. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.